Hello everyone, I'm Junyuan Wang, a first-year student from Kunshan University. Imagine a world where biology isn't just equations in a textbook, but a high-stakes mission to save humanity. That's exactly what we've created for BIOL110, Integrated Science Biology. Today, I'll walk you through two interactive games that transform this course into an unforgettable adventure. Let's start with the basics and then dive into a sci-fi saga where your choices determine the fate of life itself. First, let's begin with a mysterious live invitation from the Professor Lee. Here are three different choices, and each choice will have a different story. Let's choose the first one as an example. The mission is to investigate cell membrane leak in our algae farm. Here, you can review the knowledge about membrane in Chapter 8. You are required to have knowledge about cell structure and function and how to use microscopes here. You can review them in Chapter 7. This time, let's choose the second one as an example. Now I'm going to show you what if your answer is wrong. Here you'll see a small clue for you, and you can try it again. After you complete the mission, you'll see some information about Biology 110. You can explore other two kinds of story according to the information I put. This is how I made the game. The time you need to play this game is about 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's level up. Enter Biology, Legacy of Life. The last biosphere of Earth is collapsing. A virus has corrupted DNA, achieves inverted food chains, and turns mitochondria into ticking time bombs. Now you have 3 tracks and you can see the related chapters. You can review those knowledge due to these small tips. Remember, each choice decides your final ending. You'll have secret credits on 3 parts: cell knowledge, gene knowledge, and eco knowledge. The endings will be different due to different credits, and your every choice may increase or decrease your credits. Now let's begin our adventure and use knowledge of Biology 110 to save this world. When facing the problem that their membranes are facing shifting, we choose to activate their cytoskeleton. Oops, here comes a new problem. Cells become rigid cubes and the gas exchange failing. Now we choose to relieve profiling, and it works. Let's move to another crisis. Now the DNA achieve is dissolving. Asian species genomes fading. The robot reminds you, epigenetic markers corrupted. Restore methylation patterns. We choose the second one. Look, the robots remind us that our plan works. Be careful, here comes a new problem. Now we choose the second one. As we can see, the consequence is not that good. To face the new virus, we choose the first one. Here comes a bonus part. If you can get this paper, the possibility of winning the game will be increased. As for how to obtain this paper, it's still waiting for you to explore. It's time to face the final challenge. Our mission is to fix the food web. The food web is inverted. It's unbelievable that sharks hunt grass while trees eat rabbits. We need the knowledge from Chapter 51 here. After choosing the second choice, the system told us that the energy transfer efficiency is now at 8%. We finally reached the end. Because we get enough credits, through the choices before. We eventually get a message from the famous biology professor Lee. Congratulations! Here's the true end. You solved the problem perfectly. Access codes to Lee's lab appear. Welcome to Systems Biology Frontier. Now accept it. Thank you for playing this game. If you want to know more about Lee's lab, please click the link. This shows the normal ending. You still have a lot of things to learn. So now, register BIOL110. This is how I made this game. It has 4 endings in total, and more than 20 choices. I also attached the file below the video. Feel free to play the game. Then I'll briefly explain why I try to design 2 interactive games as the presentation. I want to redefine science communication through immersive, choice-driven storytelling. Each game mission integrates BIOL110's 5 core themes: organization, energy cycling, genetic information, homeostasis, evolution into urgent biological crisis. For instance, the Gene Achieve Rescue mission mirrors our lab experiments with CRISPR and plasmid transformations. By framing lecture concepts like membrane structure in Chapter 7 as gameplay and mechanics, the game can transform abstract theories into visceral problem-solving. It also connects real worlds by simulating ecological restoration scenarios inspired by DKU Jiangsu wetland studies. I try to embody DKU's innovative spirit, proving that biology education can be both academically profound and wildly entertaining. Thank you for watching. Please enroll BIOL110!